English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to the English we speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Roy.
We may sound a little different. That's because we're not able to record in our normal studios during the coronavirus outbreak. In this program, we have a word that is used to say when someone is upset over something minor or trivial. Speaking of which, you got really upset when the vending machine didn't have any of those sweets you liked this morning.
I really like unicorn truffles. Oh, you have no idea how good they are. Oh, it ruined my day.
Everyone likes unicorn truffles, but there's no need to get overly upset about it. They're just sweets. You were so salty this morning.
What do you mean salty? You mean I was sweaty? I sweat when I get stressed.
No, Roy. Salty means you got upset over nothing. They're just sweets. If you're that desperate for them, you should go to the supermarket before work, like I did.
Wait, you've got some unicorn truffles? Oh, can I have one, please?
You can have one and only one. Anyway, let's listen to these examples.
She was so salty when she lost the board game. It's really not that important. He was so salty yesterday when nobody wanted to go to lunch with him. I'm sorry, it was a bad joke, but there's no need to get salty about it.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word salty. And now, Roy, you're salty because I won't give you more sweets.
Fei, you have a bag full of unicorn truffles. You could open a sweet shop, you have that many. So I'm not being salty. I don't think it's unreasonable to be upset that you won't give me one more sweet.
Fine, but only because I'm a nice person. Talking about being salty, did you see Rob this morning?
Yes. Why was he so angry? I saw him hitting the keyboard. He was so angry with you, Fei.
Haha, that's because I unplugged his computer. He couldn't turn it on. So when I told him that I'd done it as a joke, he got really salty.
You're the best, Fei. You love playing practical jokes on people. Well, I need to get back to my desk. Wait, I can't move. I'm stuck to the chair.
Yes, I know. I put lots of super glue on your chair before you sat down. Don't get salty about it. Here, have a couple of unicorn truffles to cheer you up.
Thanks, Fei, but I really need to go back to work. Can you get me off this chair, please?
Bye, Roy.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Oh, hi! Thanks very much for watching our program. We hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you did. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with our wide variety of English language learning programs. We've got something for everyone. And that's it. We'll see you next time. I'm going to eat my bagel. Bye, guys.